Valencia College uses the accounting manual for the Florida college system as the basis for our accounting record structure. The college is required to maintain records in accordance with the accounting manual per Florida State Board of Education financial records and rules that were developed in 1968 to provide uniformity among all Florida college system institutions for financial reporting comparability. The manual is updated annually to incorporate new accounting standards and financial reports required by state rules and regulations. Many financial reports are produced based on the needs of various stakeholders. For this section, we will focus on the reports contained in the financial reporting package presented to the District Board of Trustees at their regular board meetings. The first part of the financial report is the monthly financial summary. The monthly financial summary includes Valencia's financial health indicators, such as projected year-end revenues, which is considered favorable when the actual projected revenues exceed the budget, and the reverse is noted as unfavorable. The projected year-end expenses is considered favorable when the actual expenses are less than the budget. When actual projected expenditures are more than the budget, this is considered unfavorable. The monthly financial summary report also identifies significant year-over-year changes. For example, pay raises or increases in the number of employees at the college may provide an explanation for an increase in salaries and wages expenses when compared to the prior year. Another report that is included in the District Board of Trustees financial report is the summary of major construction projects, which includes construction of new facilities, remodel projects, and repair of existing buildings. Projects included on this report are approved by the District Board of Trustees as part of the unexpended plant fund budget section of the operating budget. This report shows funding sources, expenditures, and encumbrances for current capital projects, as well as available funds for future projects. As mandated by Florida statute, Valencia College must maintain an adequate mix of investments with the primary goal of liquidity and low investment risk. Only auxiliary funds and quasi-endowment funds may be invested in mutual funds and other non-cash equivalent investments, even though the college has its own investment policy. Investment rate of returns are benchmarked against the one-year Treasury bill rate. The final section of the District Board of Trustees financial report is the balance sheet and income statement by fund. The balance sheet compares all the major fund assets, liabilities, and fund balance side by side at the end of the month. Major assets are cash and accounts receivable. Major liabilities are accounts payable, health insurance reserve, and state of Florida retirement pension liability. Pension liability is related to Valencia's proportionate share of the difference between investments and Florida Retirement System's total pension liability. This liability is expected to be funded in the future as new Florida employees enter the system.